Ia, le nā Samoa, tolu minute o te ai nei le itu la e valu se me le tātou polkalame. Ia, o le Nofoa Fa'asoa, ia, mai se foi te se vaenga whapoponga, tātou polkalame nei fiafio le fefi manuia Aso Tofi lua se fulu ma le fitu o Fepuari lua afe lua se fulu ma le lima. Ia, o le nganga lava o le whaamahaloa, ma se foi se whaafei loa i le mamalu le tātou tunu, mai lava i maunga te tele, tātou mātua, au whaingalunga te tofi le tua pa ia o Samoa, ia ele to e au talaina so mātou whaatau waa o le la au a mahe o na tātou langa, ia a o tō whinga fwoi wa mahe o na whaata oto, ia upu whai o le tātou tunu o le ngata i lea, ia o se whaafetai i le tua o sia lau lau le leia walawa le tātou maafutanga. E whiwhira nei vai o le whiawhia amatai nei tātou whaatala noanga. Ia o se nisi fwoi o alo ma tama whanau o le tātou tunu, ia pe o na maua le hawa noa tātou te whaatala noi nei le nei e whiawhi, ia o le tama itai ia Emillie Iliganoa Pritchard. Ia o whaatasi mai tātou porkalame le nei e whiawhi, o nisi o alo ma tama whanau tātou tunu, o loo au wai i te tonu, ia o le tātou Siva Afi Festival, ia o le a watu lea i le vai aso fau, Friday and Saturday, 8th and, Saturday the 8th of March 2025, ia o le a whatino ina le i mangele, ia o le ala ua whatasi mai. Joining us tonight, another lovely guest of our program this evening, of course, young superstars of our art, the Siva Afi, on our program tonight. A warm whatalofa to you, Emily.
Hello, Falava.
Hello. How are you doing today?
I'm doing good.
All right, cool. All right, all glory to God for allowing this opportunity for us to have a chat. I know these things could be a bit overwhelming for us to come on air and just have a conversation in regards to your the competition coming up. But before we go any further, I would like to give you this opportunity to introduce yourself to our listeners, our Samoan people that are joining in PM in Samoa.
Tala Falava, Oloinga o Emillie Iliganoa Pritchard. I am a 13-year-old Siva Afi dancer in Auckland, New Zealand. And I've been doing Siva Afi since 2020 online with Moana, and 2021 I started face-to-face classes, and I'm from the villages of Salailua, Iva, and Vainganga.
Nice. You started very well there by stating you have also joined Moana's classes, did you say?
Yeah, online class.
Wow, aren't you lucky? All right. Well, this is a very good opportunity not only to have you on board, but I also know that you are the champion of our Siva Afi competition in Australia last year. Is that correct, Emily?
Yes, I am the junior girls champion for Australia's first Siva Afi competition, the Tuale Afi Bata.
Nice. Now, wahine toa, you were getting involved in quite a lot, and also I've seen we have done festivals where you come out and showcase the Siva Afi. But I just want to ask you directly, Emily, how did you come about Siva Afi? How did you know about Siva Afi? There's many of Siva Samoa, obviously in polyfest groups, church groups. All the girls wants to join the Maululu dancing and all that, But how did you come across the Siva Afi?
So I first came about with Siva Afi at the first ever New Zealand festival in 2020. I performed with my Siva Academy that I'm in, Let's Help Naya Dance Academy.
Nice.
And performed there, and then I saw that there are no girls in it, so I was like, I might pick this up. And so then my mom talked to that director, Amo Yeriko, and lockdown came, so then I did online with Mata Vai and Moana and that. And then when we finally got out of the house, I managed to get into workshops with Amo, and so that's when I really got into it.
Wow. Okay, so since when did you started getting into Siva Afi? Obviously, you started from an academy of group of girls, and then when did you start picking up the ngaifi to lo whaafonga le tunu, or start picking up on Siva Afi?
So I properly started picking up the knife in 2021,
Mm.
and yeah, that's when I properly started getting into it and like clocking in my practices and
Nice, nice. Wow. Okay, cool. And now a lot of young ones like yourself that are watching you now on stage doing the Siva Afi. How long did it take you to get into the groove of, handling the knife and then obviously start with the fire because of course you got to be steps of practicing. But how long did it take you to get used to the whole idea of spinning the knife on fire?
um yeah, so when I started, I just started off with the practice stick. I wasn't really like getting into the knife yet.
Hmm.
And then I with the knife and then I managed to get a hold of one myself. And then yeah, I just started training morning and night. And then it wasn't until I had this one practice with Amo where he was like, "Nah, you're gonna try it with fire."
Hmm.
So then yeah, that was it took me a while to actually get into the flow with trying fire because my first practice it took me like ages to finally pick it up.
Hmm.
But yeah, it was really worth that one practice with Amo because I reckon if I didn't have that push to
Hmm.
like pick up the then I wouldn't be as comfortable as I am with the fire now. But yeah, it took me a while from actually starting to be comfortable with the flame.
Hmm. Hmm.
Yeah, I just had to make sure that I was keeping up with my training and yeah.
Wow, when you're saying keeping up with trainings, so I know Amo. Amo is a very, 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 very driving guy when it comes to practice, and I know Amo also was my mentor, to be quite honest, and also I know that the brother Bopea was helping you out at one point. But let me ask you, um, like learning from Amo and the whole experience, how many times do you practice a week?
Um, I try and push myself to practice every day, but with school I have to like
Mm.
do my homework, but I always try and at least get 30 minutes of spinning a day just so that I'm working on like my speed, my routine and anything that I need for like performances or competitions. But yeah, the average is I try and practice every day.
Nice, nice. And of course, never forget the support of your mum. We've always seen mum out there. Everywhere you go, she's always there to support you. How is that like at home? Having a support system like that, and your family to be there for you every single day.
Yeah, having my family, especially my mom supporting me, it really helped me because I remember the amount of times that I wanted to stop because I was like, no, I keep on getting hurt. And she's like, no, you're doing it. So yeah, but that really pushed me and my family they encouraged me a lot to stick with it because they know that it could get me somewhere with it. And it
Mm.
has, it's given me a lot of places and yeah, it really helps with all of the encouragement from them.
What would you say for all the young wahine doors in Auckland, and especially our Samoan people, the young ones, about the Siva Afi? Because not many people get the opportunity to learn the Siva Afi. But look at you, you are traveling the world already on the Siva Afi.
Yeah, I reckon just give it a go. It doesn't matter if like if you think you're not good at it or like
Mm.
if people are like saying don't do it because you'll be blessed with like a time that yeah, you'll be blessed with a time that you actually get to do it and I reckon you should take every chance that you get
Mm.
and yeah, for the girls, if boys can do it, we can do it as well. It's not better, but yeah.
I like that little comment there. Yes, like because to be quite honest, Siva Afi, whatever is known, it's always people always think that it's the males dance, right? A lot of our males are doing this dance, but you have now on the video, you're telling everybody if the boys can do it, the girls probably can do better. And always love to see you out there on the stage representing our Samoan people and representing our art of Siva Afi, and to take it everywhere. You pretty much travel Australia, back here, and who knows the other countries you will travel to. All right, I know there's a competition coming up next weekend. So would you like to tell everybody and all the families out in Mangere or South Auckland about this competition that you guys have on the weekend, next weekend?
Yes, of course. The Aotearoa Siva Afi Festival. It's going to be held in Mangere at the Mangere Arts Centre. It's actually on Friday as well, so it'll be Friday the 7th of March starting at 7 p.m. and Saturday the 8th of March starting at the same time as well. There will be the juniors division and the Wahine Tour division on the Friday, and the intermediate division and men's division on the Saturday. And you can just come along if you're interested, and if you have nothing to do on those days, just it's a free event, and there'll be food and entertainment in between the Siva Afi dances as well. So you can come haere to this competition. It's really fun, and yeah.
Wow, look at you. I think you should be a strong advocate for our Siva Afi here in New Zealand. That was good. Obviously with a message for all our communities to come out and support our Aotearoa Siva Afi competition happening next week. Like you've heard, mese fo whaafonga anga le tātou tunu. Pe ona sa noa nisi o halo matama whanau, o le tātou tunu. E tu sai fo ima le tau vanga o lo whanga solo. A le Siva Afi Aotearoa, whaatino lea i le whatu au kilani nei, i le taulanga i mangele. I le aso wharaile aso fitu. Mese fo le aso tona i aso valu o mati. Mai le fitu i le afiafi se pa i le se fulu i le po. E te mata ai i le tāleni a halo mawhanau e le ngata o le aulaiti po le juniors. Me se foi o le au whiololo po le intermediate. Le alai ei le tamaitai Emillie i le neia fiafia. Me se foi tene mātua, matama mātua. Whai uina ai le tamulisanga o le whanga solo. Emillie, quickly before you go, give you the opportunity to do any shout outs to mum and dad and also the Siva Afi competition coming up.
Okay, I'll give out a few shout outs. One being Tawanu'u Amoyeriko, the director of Siva Afi Aotearoa. My coach Popea Lautala. He's helped me a lot through my journey. My family, my mom, everyone supporting me. And just thank you for having me. All the best for everyone competing next week. And hope to see everyone come there. So.
Nice. Thank you very much, Emillie, for your time tonight to come out and talk about the competition next week, and also just to tell everyone that are listening about special talent that you have in you. Hey, look, God bless, all the best with your preparations for next week, and we will see you next week, Friday.
Thank you for having me.
No worries. All right, Emillie, whaafitai mo le nei fiafi. Alright, le nasa Samoa, tasi fo o tātou whaatātan noanga me se foi, o halo ma tama whanau o le tātou o tunuu, pei ona iai se tasi, o tama whanau, tama itai Emillie. O le te moli mai watu Samoa, i le tau vanga lea, me se foi i le wha moe lea, o le Siva Afi, Aotearoa Siva Afi competition, o le whanga solo lea i mangele le tau sanga fau, i le vai aso fau, aso fitu, asfarile aso fitu o mati, ma le astona i aso valu o mati. Maua fua le mea ai, oi ele mo fungi me ai sawi, e ulu fua i le tauwanga, maua fua i taumaftanga lo whaatau, i le taulanga whaatau i mangele, whaio nai te silifian me i le Mangui Art Centre. O ele maulawa malvaenga le ka pakale whaatino ai, i le maketi foi, o lesi lai tu, o lo i eiri tato, vaenga le nā, o lo o le whalena le Mangui Art Centre, o lo o whaatino ai, le tauwanga lea, o le tātou Siva Afi Festival. Pei ona iei tau sanga te tasi, o ne ngalo, su mai mitala mai au ia wa fo ile vai so fo lango le fa mo ia moli le ngang fa aftai ile fionga te fono ile fionga ia tawa nu amo ye rico ia mai se fo ia le tofini a maili ia male committee fa fo ia le tatu Siva Afi Festival ia te rone le ngata ile le fa ngaloina Polynesian Entertainers ia pe ona ia le telo tau sanga ia le tau tua mo le tatu community le ngata ile ia lo fa anga moli ia maleuso ia popea tala me se foi ia le fionga le tua ia Sam ia me se foi fa nau malo lava le tawatai malo foi ia le lava papale ia le awa oina ia o se tasi foi o taleni ia se tasi foi o anga fa fianga le tatu tunu ela le Siva Afi pe one le ne fiafi ia moli le ngang fa fitai ia ile le fionga fo i le te fono ia me se le tatu Siva Afi au te voa i le tu fata sina fo i o sia fa moe ia walava ia nai fa naua Samoa ia o loo i te tonu au te ro nei ia wai pau leo le vaenga taua e se asa va ia lea le fo i me sina tatu tunu ia le tatu Siva Afi ia e whaafitai ia wanoa ua tāpena i le tua e ala i hanga vaa matalini i le fionga ia tawa nuu amo i riko ia ua toe whaaulaulaina se tasi leo vaenga taua.